Good morning, dear student. In our English, our 11th lesson name is The Wonderful World. So here in this lesson, we have to see here today's topic Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star here. So we can say that we see the star as a tiny point of light in the sky. If we see in the sky, so we can able to see here the millions of the star here, but the star are very far from us, so the star look like as a tiny point of light here. It is a dot of light here we can see here. So they may all look the same, but they are not the same. From here, from the earth, we see here the star, but the star are not the same. Each and every stars are different from each other. Some are small, some are big. So they range in size, color, temperature, power, and lifespan is different from each other. So they have the different size. Some star are big, some has the different colors also. Temperature of each and every stars are different here, and the power. If the sun is also one kind of the star here, but the sun is near to us, so it gives us light and heat, and we look the sun brighter than other star here. We can say that in a light of the sun, the other stars are faded here. So we can't able to see the star in the sky during the day because the sun is nearer star to us. Same as here, the each and every star has the different color, size, temperature, powers, and lifespan. New star made and the old star destroy here. So they have each and every star has some lifespan, and star are made of mostly hydrogen gas here. We know that hydrogen and helium are the light air here. So we find here the hydrogen and helium in a upper altitude here, in a upper place here. So the star are made of the hydrogen gas, and which is the most abundant element in the universe here. So here the star are look like the twinkling here, give the light to us here. So there are abundant elements in the universe here. It is the beauty of the sky here. And we all have learned the rhyme, the twinkle, twinkle, little star. So we know that the poem, the rhyme about the twinkle, twinkle, little star. And have we ever wondered where the star light come from? But how? Like the sun has its own light. So we know that star has its own light here. The star have their own light here. So star get light from the sun here. The sentence is given here that stars get their light from the sun, and there are the chemical reaction that give light and shine to the star here. So the chemical reaction occurred in a hydrogen gas. The star are made of the hydrogen. So due to the light of the sun, the chemical reaction occurred in a star. So they started to shine here. They started to shine here. Then after given here that have you ever look up in the night sky and wondered just how many stars there are in a space? If we want to count it, if we want to count the stars, so how many stars are there in the sky? So this question has fascinated scientists here. It is a debated question here. We cannot give the answer. We can't solve the answer. This is a debated question arise here in the minds of the scientists. The scientists also research here. So as well as the philosopher also, musicians also, and the dreamer throughout the ages here. They have thinking here. They try to count the stars, how many stars are there in the sky, but they all are fail here because the stars are not scattered randomly through the space here. So we cannot find here the star here and there. They can't move The stars are static here. They have take their place in a one place here. The stars cannot move here and there like our planet move here, but they all are gathered together in a vast group known as galaxy here. So the stars are arranged in a group. They make some pattern here. So the stars are not move here and there, but they all together arrange such a way in a group. So they make many pattern. So they all are make the vast group. This group are called galaxy here. The sun belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy here. There are lots of galaxies are there in the universe here, but our galaxy, our solar system, our 8 planets and some stars and the sun, these all are comes in a Milky Way galaxy, because we see in the night sky or in a day sky. So our galaxy, our universe is look like a Milky Way, like a milk color. So we can say that our stars, our sun belongs to a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. And astronomers estimated there are about 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way galaxy here, way alone. So there are lots of galaxy, but among lots of galaxy, the astronomers say only in a Milky Way galaxy, in our galaxy, there are 100,000 million stars are there here. Outside that, there are millions upon millions of other galaxies also. There are million galaxies here. But we have seen only our galaxy, that is Milky Way galaxy here. So it has been said that counting the star in the universe is like trying to count the number of sand grain on a beach on the earth. So if we want to count the stars in the sky, so it is like to count the each and every grain of sand in a nearby the river or in a beach. So we try to count the each and every molecules of the sand. So it takes the lots of time. We can't give the perfect answer. We can't able to give the accurate answer. Same as here, it is tiresome work here to count the star, like many million stars are there. So we might do that by measuring the surface area of the beach and determining the average depth of the sand layer here. So here we randomly say that the layer of the sand here, there we can't give the perfect of the depth of the sand here, but randomly we speak here the answer. So same as here, we can't give the perfect number of star in the sky, but randomly we can say that there are 100 million stars in a Milky Way galaxy here. So here, did you know that in 1995, an image from the Hubble Space Telescope, here to see the long distance, we use the telescope here. In a short, we can say that HST, that is a Hubble Space Telescope here, suggested that the star formation has reached a peak at roughly 7,000 million years ago. So here how long the star are formed here? If we see the lifespan of the star, so star formation is started before 7,000 million years ago here. Our earth is formed in a 4.5 billion years ago here, but the star forms occurred in a 7,000 million years ago here, and the picture show a satellite mapping of our Milky Way galaxy here. So this satellite try to measure, try to mapping our Milky Way galaxy, how long and how the area of our Milky Way galaxy. So this Hubble Space Telescope suggests that the 7,000 million years ago our star formation is started, and this picture showing a satellite mapping of our Milky Way galaxy. How long or what is the area of our Milky Way galaxy. So this satellite try to find the area of our Milky Way galaxy here. Now the poem is given here by the Rabindranath Tagore that say that about one famous flower, that is the sunflower. The picture is given here about the sunflower. So what the Rabindranath Tagore said us, so pluck this little flower and take it. So here Rabindranath Tagore suggests us that pluck this flower. Hardly we have seen the notice here in a garden, don't pluck the flowers here, because the flowers are beauty of the garden. The flowers we are using in a different occasion, in our marriage function, in our birthday party, and might more functions possible here by the use of the flowers. We use it here, the flower. But here Rabindranath say us that pluck this little flower and take it. Keep it with you. Pluck the flowers of sunflower and keep it with you. Delay not. Don't delay here. Do the work fast here. I fear lest it droop and drop into the dust here. If you delay here, so the flower will wither. The flower will dry here and the dust will cover here on the flowers. So it become in a dry here in an evening time, and it wither and it fell down from the plant. Then after you can't pluck the flower, and then after the beauty of a flower will be faded away. The beauty of flower will go. So here before the beauty will faded away, before you have to pluck the flowers and keep it with you. Don't delay here and droop and drop it into the dust. And before the flower will wither, you have to pluck the flowers. I may not find a place in your garland. Flower say that. Flower itself say flower is a non-living thing, but personification we try to make the flowers can able to speak here. So flower say that I will not take a place in your garland. We make the garland from the flowers here. In a different occasion, we use the garland here. So flower say that I may not take the place in your garland, but honor it with a touch of a pain from your hand and pluck it. We know that the petal of flowers are soft here. So when we touch the petal, when we touch the flower, so the flower get fear. The flower get pain here of our hand. Still the flower say, I would like to tolerate your pain. I like to touch your hand. I want to touch your skin on my body here. So flower urge us here. The flower request us that before I faded away, you touch me. I would like to touch your pain when you touch your hand to me. I fear lest the day end before I am aware and the time of offering go by here. We offer the flower to others. It is a symbol of love. It is a symbol of beauty. So we also offer the flower to the God. We also arrange the flower and make the bouquet and garland, and we offer this flower to other. So before the flower faded away and before the fear lest the day end, because in the evening time when the sun rise, the flower started to bloom in the morning time, but in the evening time all the flowers wither. They started to dry here and they fell down from the plant here. So the flower said that before the time is over to offering the someone, I would like to touch your pain. I want to tolerate your pain by your hands here. So please pluck me before I faded away, and the time of offering go by, and the time will run. The time of offering will gone away. Before the time is gone away, please take it and offer me to others here and keep it with you. Though it is color be not deep and its smell be faint here. The smell of the sunflower is not deep. It is not the strong smell like the rose flower and lotus flower here. It has the little smell here, but though its color be not deep, the color of a sunflower is not dark like rose or lotus. But you take it with you, and its smell be faint here. It has not a good smell. Although you have to take me, you have to pluck me, and use this flower in your service, and pluck it while there is time here. And whenever you get the time here, you offer before the flowers wither and before the flowers dry up. So its color is not deep and it has not strong smell and faint smell. But use this flower in your service. Whatever you want to use this flower, use it. Before the flower wither, you have to use this flower and pluck it while there is time. And as and when you get the time, you have to pluck the flowers in the morning time before the flower faded away, and use this flower, use in your service of this flower, told by the Rabindranath Tagore said us that use the sunflower. It is a beauty of nature. It is a beauty of garden. So pluck the flowers and use it before the flower faded away. Okay.